My name is Joe Casino and I aim to become a multi-millionaire within the next 5 years, and here's my exact plan. Step 1. Achieve millionaire mentality. In order to achieve a millionaire status, I need to become a millionaire in my mindset and my actions before I actually earn $1 million. Not just so I can earn $1 million, but also so I can keep it too. The reason why lottery winners and athletes go broke is because they don't have the right financial mindset and habits to keep their wealth. I don't want to become poor again right after becoming a millionaire, so developing a millionaire mindset is a must to stay rich. Step 2. Increase my income. Nobody's going to become a millionaire within the next 5 years on an average salary alone. Increasing my income is essential. There are multiple ways to do this, which I will explain in a minute, but essentially what I need to do is create a profitable business, steal money, or get lucky by winning or inheriting money. Although the thought of me potentially going to prison isn't ideal, and I don't believe in pure luck either. I believe you have to earn luck. So creating a profitable business is essentially the only way for me to get rich. Step 3. Keeping my expenses as low as possible without sacrificing life experiences. Look, I'm not going to scrimp on every single penny or stick to a strict budget. You only have one life, and I'm not willing to have no life just to reach my goal. Why? Because I believe as long as I'm not being stupid and spending way too much money, then becoming a millionaire is still easy and achievable, even without being a woke minimalist. I still want to travel and enjoy my life while I'm on this journey of becoming a multimillionaire. As long as I can increase my income exponentially, then I shouldn't have to worry too much about my expenses too much. Step 4. Investing as much savings into passive income investments. I'm going to try and make my money work for me passively, so I don't have to do all the work myself. As long as I'm not investing in assets which could lose me money, it should speed up the time taken to achieve my goals. Now we know the plan, we need to figure out how to actually achieve these steps. Number 1. How I'm going to change my mindset and habits. I'm going to be learning from other millionaires and billionaires by listening to their podcasts, audiobooks, and most importantly, applying their lessons into my life. I'm also going to do what millionaires do, which is leveraging every waking hour effectively and staying away from distractions as much as possible. We all have the same 24 hours, 7 days a week. So I just need to figure out the few key things that separates us from achieving wealth. And once that's locked down, it should be straightforward, right? How am I going to increase my income? I currently have a sales job. Increasing my income within that job isn't easy and will take many years to progress to 6 figures a year. So my plan is to increase my income by creating multiple businesses on the side, which would hopefully replace my salary from my 9-to-5 job to allow me to go full time on my businesses. I'm currently creating an AI business, which is currently in the early stages of development. The reason why I decided to start an AI business is because AI is where the money is flowing to right now. And I plan to surf the few waves while the waves are high. My idea for the AI business is pretty solid. It won't be easy to scale, but it's definitely possible. Most medium to large businesses will want this service that I'm offering. The good news is that I'm not starting from scratch. I've been an entrepreneur for about 10 years, working on different businesses and different models and gaining loads of experience in making and managing, money from nothing quite a few times. I have a few connections that can give me a head start, and in order to get the business started and making some good money. Also, since the start of 2021, I've been learning how to trade the financial markets. It's not until the summer of 2023 that I've actually become consistently profitable. So now I've got all the confidence to go all in. I have bought around $800,000 of trading challenges between multiple prop firms. These are like firms that basically give you money to trade as long as you meet their requirements. If I succeed, then I have the potential to earn a minimum of 6 figures per year. If I fail, then it's pretty much game over for my personal trading journey. However, not to fear. With the help from a developer, I have developed a trading algorithm which trades automatically for me on autopilot and has been producing some pretty consistent good returns each month. And what I plan to do is use this algorithm to trade with other people's money and take a small cut of the profits, and using the algorithm to essentially create a hedge fund. Also, this channel should eventually generate me some income once I get it monetized through the monetization program. But from what I've heard, you don't really earn as much, with a small following. So I won't be relying on this channel for income really. It's just a way to document my journey and share my experiences with you. How I plan to keep my expenses low? By simply not buying unnecessary items or services which either don't include traveling or give me good memories or potential to earn more money. So this includes not paying for takeaways, video games, TV subscriptions, and etc. I limited my spending on experiences such as holidays, traveling and going out. Don't get me wrong, I'm not much of a big spender anyway, so being frugal and smart within my expenses is something I'm naturally good at. However, when it comes to buying experiences, this is where I kind of need to be a bit careful because that's where I can get carried away. How I'm going to invest. I plan to invest as much money as possible, firstly into building my skills and network. Learning how to become better and connecting with great people is very important, as these variables can be leveraged far greater than any other investment. And you're less likely to lose these skills or your network as long as you're a decent, normal human being. Secondly, I will invest money that I'm willing to lose into the trading algorithm that I've created. It has consistently produced returns, and compared to other investment options, this is the best vehicle that I've found for truly passive income, as it trades automatically without me having to do any work at all. I've been testing this algorithm for about 3 months and it's achieved some pretty good results. It's about a return of 7% per month at the moment, which is probably what most people would be happy with per year. So, how can we both benefit from my goal of becoming a multimillionaire? Most importantly, you too can become wealthy from my plans of becoming a multimillionaire, because this isn't just for me, as you can copy the results I make by using a strategy called copy trading. Essentially, you can copy the exact same trades of the algorithm that I have passively. To find out more about copy trading, check out this video here to find out why this strategy is the best passive investment strategy right now. And if you want to follow the journey of me becoming a multimillionaire, subscribe to the channel to see what happens next.